Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about the different types of trader that are there in stock market. So if you have been trading in stock market for some time, you might be knowing that a trader can be divided into multiple categories depending on how long he holds on to his position. So first let's see who exactly is a trader. So trader is a person who spots an opportunity and initiates a trade with an expectation of profit. That means depending on our trading style or depending on our trading plan, if there is any opportunity that we see that can make profit, then we simply enter into that trade. Now you see that there is an important word over here called expectation. It never guarantees that whenever we are entering a trade, it will result in a profit. But we expect that it will return a profit and hence we enter into the trade. Now let's see the types of trader. So first type of a trader is a scalper. So a scalper is a kind of a day trader and he usually holds stock for very less time and with the intention of making a small but quick profit. That means if we are holding our trade for anything between 1 minute to let's say 15 minutes, then we are going to be called as scalper. Generally a scalper don't make a huge profit in their individual trade. Their overall profit at the end of the day can be huge, but individual trade wise, they will make very small profit. Let's say 0.1% in one trade, 0.2% in one trade, and that's it. So, in case if they are making, let's say on an average 0.1% in a trade and they make 10 trades, that means they are going to make 1% in a day, which is not bad. So the whole idea here is that they are okay with a small profit, but they want it quickly. They can't hold it for long time. Now the second type of a trader is a day trader. So a day trader initiates and closes the position during the day. So generally a day trader's trade lasts for anywhere from 1 hour to 4 hours. So as obvious, since the trade lasts from 1 to 4 hours, the number of trades that will be taken in a day will be comparatively low than a scalper. So let's say a scalper is taking generally 10 trades in a day. A day trader might take only 2 trades in a day. But the catch here is a day trader typically let's say go for 0.5% in each trade. So if he takes 2 trades and both of them are in profit, he still makes 1%, whereas a scalper had to take 10 trades to make 1%. So you see that a day trader typically takes less trade but still makes the same money or sometimes even more money than scalper. But the catch is that day trader has to hold the position for longer duration of time compared to scalper. So their risk is also more. Now coming to the next type of trader, that is swing trader. So a swing trader generally holds his trade for slightly longer duration compared to day trader. So generally he can hold a position anywhere from 1 day to 1 month. So as obvious, the number of trades taken by a swing trader will again be less than day trader. So if day trader is taking 2 trades a day and for 1 month, that is 20 working day, if he takes 40 trades, a swing trader might take only 3 trades in an entire month. But the thing is, swing trader generally takes a lot of risk because of longer duration of their trades. Hence, ideally their profits are also huge. So a day trader typically goes for let's say 0.5% target in a trade, whereas a swing trader will generally go for 5 to 10% profit in one single trade. So you see that as the risk increases, the reward also increases. So now having known that there are 3 types of trader, now depending on your risk appetite, profit expectation, number of trades taking capability and time availability in the market, you can select any of the type of trader that you want to be. So if you are working in some office and you cannot see the market every day, swing trader will be great for you. In case if you can spend some time in the market, let's say 2 to 3 hours a day, day trader is perfect. But in case if you can spend only few irregular hours in a market, scalping will be the best thing for you. So that is all for this video. Thanks for your time.